Hello everyone, my name is Sean. I am 8 years old. I am from Johan Bukit Jalil. My dream job is to become a librarian. What does a library do? A library works in a library that take care with books and help people find the books they want. They also read the story children and make a library a fun place. Why did I become a library? Because I love books, take me for adventure, learn more things. I want to help other kids reading too. Why did I become a librarian? Because help kids choose good books, organize books nicely. Reading story during story time keeps the library quiet and happy. What should I use? A computer, a scanner, and many books. How did I become a librarian? I read always, study hard in school, learn more when I grow up. Who will help me? My parents always support and cheer me on. My parents always support and cheer me. Thank you for listening on One